All right, everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with an afternoon ride. It is super warm outside and cool at the same time. It's one of those days where the sun is blazing down on top of you, like deep down on top of you. And, but you got a cool wind, so it's pretty awesome, right? I'm enjoying it. It's one of those few days where in Texas the humidity isn't 100%. Anyways, I don't know if you watched any of the videos from the weekend, but it looks like the Ruckus is moving in the forward direction to looking like a good bike again, or at least by today's standards, what a good bike is. It's always looked like she's always been a good bike. She just needed to get a little bit of literally plastic surgery and an eye lift. Anyways, so you watched the previous videos, and you saw that I did the headlight, which you can see from the front. I haven't had a chance to run with it at night yet, but hopefully I'm not blinding everyone to death whenever I start riding it at night. And at the same time, I also did a new battery box with new hardware and put a little bit of vinyl on it, kind of give it a little bit of spunk, a little bit of not plain Jane on it. But I just wanted to go for a little bit of a ride and just enjoy the day. You know, not everybody could be riding right now because they could be in a hurricane, or it could be snowing. There could be swarms of angry bees. There could be, I don't know, alien invasion, protesters in their way. Maybe their Ruckus broke. Maybe they have a GY6 and it broke. Or maybe they have a Get and they can't go fast enough. I don't know. Who knows? But sometimes I ride so that we all can ride together. Anyways, that was super cheesy. I guess there's a couple other things I still want to do. I kind of want to change my stretch so that it's a little bit more of a lower profile and maybe longer. I want to get the wheels polished. I want to put an oil cooler in. I want to get new front pegs because one of them's bent. I don't know if you can tell, but one of them's pretty bent. It needs to be bent back, but it's not bending back, so I need to make a new one. You know, there's just a whole bunch of things that could be done to make this a little bit better. But you know what? If you ride a Ruckus, then you know that there is no end. It never ends. It's just going to keep going and going and going and going and going. But I guess that's part of the fun of it. There's always something new to do, right? At the same time, she's been running pretty good with the 120 jet. She's been running pretty smooth. I'm pretty happy with the way she's been performing. Good startup. Not a lot of weird sounds coming from there. Still a little bit of a tick from here, but I think that's normal for a GY6, I guess. Whoever had the timing set like that. So maybe I need to check it again. I don't know. She's running good right now, so I'm not really gonna complain, and I really don't want to mess with it. I do want to tighten my head bolts a little bit more, but that seems to be it so far. So, what do you guys think? I got an idea. Let's go ahead and get to somewhere where I can pull over and I can do a little bit of a walk around, a little bit of an update for those of you who didn't watch anything on this weekend, or I don't know, just because I want to. Oh, I did put a mirror in. It's only partially useful. I did the mirror on the side again right here, which it seems to work. I can see behind me, but I can't see directly behind me. It takes a little bit of effort to like scoot over a little bit so I can see what's behind me. I guess next I have to try to do deliveries on here or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? Deliveries on a stretched fatty Ruckus GY6 171 swap? Maybe. You never know. There is another thing that I remembered I need to do. I need to do adjustments, or I need to recalibrate my speedos since I moved the sensor around. Because when I did the speed test, I don't know if you guys saw, but when I did the speed test, it was like way off. It could have been done better. I think I was off by 5 miles per hour. I thought I was going 34 and I was going 38 or something like that. 4 or 5 miles per hour, something like that, right? You guys, I always drive through here because it's super fun. I don't know what this guy is stopping for. Always waiting for people to turn. I'm going to also turn to the left. Is anyone else excited about movie theaters opening again someday? Like, do you really hope that movie theaters open again so we can all enjoy ourselves in a movie theater? Yeah, I do too. Alright, so let's find a parking space again like we did last time. Maybe there's one down here where we did the I love to ride the Honda Ruckus video. Yeah, right here. This looks good. So here we go. I'm gonna turn off the bike. I'm gonna do a little bit of a walk around. So there she is. Da, 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 da. The whole front end looks shiny again. Still not kind of in and out about the front headlight mount with the monopod. I did get some scratches on here, which makes me upset, but new hardware, new headlight, new rims. The bars are new because I still haven't had a chance to ride with them very much. Speed sensors back in. I did sand down the rear frame piece, the CVT cover right here, to kind of strip it down and think about painting it again. I don't know if I want it orange or black, but I did like it orange, but it was really chewed up. Right here I did put the Ruck Life sticker from SmallEngineVelocity.com, as well as the Ruckus Hub keychain, which is pretty cool. But there's my mirror. Anyways, I feel like I'm finally getting to a point where she's pretty good. There's still some wiring cleanup, and there's some paint mess ups that no one will ever really notice except for me. But yeah, so there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed a little short moto vlog, kind of reviewing what we did this weekend. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.